Hello, let's see how to do a color palette. So a color palette lets you choose a set of color that is by default available once you click on it. So the way to add it is just to click on add a palette, then you will need to give a name for it. So let's say test, red one. So any description that you want, and then you hit create. So this one have been created. Now we can modify it. So either manage the color or just modify the name. Here is this section, and here you will have to select the color that you want. So for example, we have the red, so I will just have red, a bit of yellow. I think those one are good. So we need to select the one that we need, and yes, so we have 5 color, and here it is. So now we have a palette of 5 color. To test it, we will open a product. Here it is. So you just have to go on the color section, then you will have the palette that you have created, and you can click on it and the palette is going to be assigned. So we have a blue, so the blue one have been kept, and a yellow. So this is the way to add a palette. You can change the design, any design that you want, change it, then you can select the palette that you want, the palette that have been available, and it will automatically assign to the color that exists. Thank you.